Hello everyone, I hope you're all having a good day. It's the beginning of the week. I'm ready to start the week off right with a paint pour. Today we're going to do another Dutch pour. I did that Starburst pour the other day that came out so beautiful. I got a slightly larger canvas and we're going to try again. So this is a 20 by 20 canvas and we're going to see what we can do with it. Let's go through our colors. We're going to start with Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue. I had this one in the last painting. It dried really pretty. Next we have Art Minds Timeless Teal. Art Minds Sea Glass. Deco Art Americana Decor Metallics in 24 karat gold. Love that color. And the last one on this side is a new paint for me. This is US Art Supply's Blaze Red Gold Iridescent. That looks really pretty. Can't wait to see how that goes. All right, on the other side, we start with Amsterdam Acrylics in Permanent Red Violet. Next to that is another fun one we're going to try. I don't have a whole lot of it mixed up, but this is US Art Supplies in Blue Interference Pearl. So that would be a fun little interference one that we're going to throw in a little of. Next to that is another US Art Supply. This one is their Wild Purple Blue Iridescent. And the last, I don't have the bottle for. This is just a little bit of leftover Art Minds Lilac Bloom. May throw that in just because it's laying around. There's a lot of leftover little bits. Okay, again, we're going to pour this in circles and then blow it outward. So let's start. Now last time I put the gold in the very center, but I think I want to do a little different this time. I think this time I'm actually going to put some of this iridescent red gold in the center. Yeah, it's about the center right there. I don't want to put too much. Just a little something to get that started. And I think I'll go in with a lighter tone. I sort of want to alternate my lights and my darks this time. So we're not getting all the lights or all the darks at once. Make sure I get lots of paint on here. I I'm going to drizzle a little of this gold here and there. This interference blue. Okay, there. Keep banging into them. I think I'm going to put a little bit of this red violet out here near these corners. Because these corners are hard. So I'll put a little of the teal out here. Make sure those are going to get covered. This all out of the way so we can start blowing. There's a lot of paint on there, but I always worry that I won't have enough paint, and you don't want it to run out of paint before it gets to the ends. Put a little more of this gold out here on the edges. Oh, way too much. Way too much. That's right. Okay, might as well use it up. Alright, am I happy? That'll do. Alright, we're going to get noisy now. Get out our handy dandy hairdryer. And let's blow this. I have a few problem areas. I'm going to blow them with my mouth. Oh my goodness, there are so many cells in here. It's crazy. Oh, this is like super cell zone here. All right, I'm gonna have to turn it. I hate having to move one of these because you risk so much when you turn one. This is not pre-painted, so I really do need something to go over the edge everywhere. That was a fault on my part. Alright, I'm going to pause you a minute while I clean up these edges, and then I'll bring you down to take a look. Okay, I have cleaned up my sides. I have torched this. The sides still need a little more cleanup, but this is just crazy. First, look at the center here. Look at the lacing coming out from that center. Center again came out a little bigger than I wanted it to, and I made the center so much smaller this time than last time, but again, not going to argue too much. Look at all this. This is from that gold, the 24 karat gold went crazy in this and just celled all over. And the lacing, I think, is from the look of it from that interference blue. Not sure, but look at this. This is the only corner that didn't do well, but just crazy gold cells. Crazy. Look at the lacing down in here. Look at that. Just some crazy lacing going on. Look at this lacing up here. crazy cells and lacing all through this piece. Just insane. Look at this over in this corner. Just loving it. So much color. I'm loving. See these big patches of lacing up here. Bright bursts of different colors coming out. That dark red violet is coming out over here. Again, another beautiful corner. All these cells. More crazy lacing. I mean, just look at this. Look at this over here. This is amazing. That 24 karat gold just was reacting with everything. Pretty good for a second try on this type of pour. Still not getting that center quite right, but not unhappy. All right, I'm gonna let this dry and I'll take some pictures to show you. Thank you so much for watching.